Hi, well, like to reading 7th grade math lesson 18. The first one says that Ches Louine's bakery sells at least 200 loaves of bread per day. And the bakery oven bakes 30 loaves per hour. Write an inequality for the least number of hours needed to bake 200 loaves. So if it's saying least number of hours need to bake 200 loaves, it's saying that we need the bakery needs to bake at least or more than 200 loaves. So we'll use the greater than or equal to sign. And we know that it will be 30x. X would be the number of hours. And it says 200 loaves per day. So that would be 30x is greater than or equal to 200, which would match B. Number 2 says write an inequality for a greatest number of 6-packs that can be created from 86 bottles of water. So 86 bottles of water is our limit. And we know 6-packs means 6 and x the number of packs. And it says we're limited to 86 bottles of water. So we would use the less than or equal to sign. 6x is less than or equal to 86, and that would be C. And number 3, we'll be doing scaling. So it says Eric made a scale drawing of the tree in the park. In Eric's drawing, the tree is 6 inches tall, and the scale factor is 1 to 36. How tall is the tree in yards? So first we need to establish conversions. So 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, and 3 feet are equal to 1 yard. So this would be important. If it's saying 6 inches is 36, that would mean that if it's saying the scale factor is 1 to 36, and we know that we have 6 inches, that means we will multiply by 36. 6 times 36 would be 216. Now we would do 216 inches divided by 12 to get the number of feet. So that would be 18 feet. And now we would convert the feet to yards. So 3 feet. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 yards. So the answer would be D. Basically, we just have to find, we just have to know the product conversions and use the scale factor. Number 4 says the width of a window treatment is 26 yards and its length is 30 yards. If the dimensions of the window are half, what will be the ratio of the areas and all new window treatments? So it's saying the dimensions are half. So 26 would be 13 and 30 would be 15. So it would be 13 times 15, and 13 times 15 would be equal to 195. And 26 times 30 would be equal to 26 times 30 would be equal to 780. And 780 divided by 195 is actually 4, meaning the ratio would be 1 to 4. So the answer would be A. Number 5 says a scaled picture of a car is 20 centimeters long, and the actual car is 5 meters long in real life. What is the scale factor? So first, we know that to establish like conversions, 100 centimeters is in 1 meter. So we know that it would be 20 centimeters, and 5 meters is 500. So it would be 20 to 500. If we simplify that, it would be 1 to 25. So this would be our scale factor, 1 to 25, which would be B. Number 6 says, at a museum, Elaine was impressed by a 6-yard high fabric needlework. She decided to make a drawing of this artwork so that 1 inch represents 1 foot of the actual artwork. How high will her drawing be? So we need to establish conversion rates again. So 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, and 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. So if we know that 1 inch is equal to 1 foot, that means it would be 1 to 12. And it says it's actually okay, sorry, wait. So we know that 1 inch is equal to 1 foot, so it'll be 1 to 12. And we know that 6 yards, that'll be 72. So 6 yards, because 12 inches or 3 feet is in 1 yard, it will be 18. No, it will be wait, sorry. Oh, okay. So we know 1 inch represents 1 foot, and we know that there are 18 feet in 6 yards. So it'll be 18 feet in the 6 yards, and it'll be 18 inches in the 18 inches for 18 feet. So that would represent her drawing 18 inches. And then we also know the conversion rate, which is 12 inches to 1 foot. So we know 18 divided by 12 is 1.5. So it'll be 1.5 feet. Sorry about that. Number 1 says 4x is equal to 2x minus 6. We'll subtract 2x on both sides to get negative 6 and 2x. So 2x equal to negative 6. We divide by 2 on both sides to get x by itself, and that'll give us x is equal to negative 3. Same for this one, we'll subtract 6x on both sides. That'll give us 3x is equal to 18. We'll divide by 3 on both sides. That'll give us x is equal to 6. And then the rest can be